Hi guys, Yolandi here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist. And today we're going to have a look at the help function on the Elisa ICU Ventilator from Lowenstein Medical. To utilize the help function, you'll first press the ventilation button, tap the question mark on the top right of the screen, click on the ventilation mode that you want more information on. The machine gives a short and a long explanation of the mode. It also tells you what the mode is called on the Elisa and on other ventilators like the Draeger and the Hamilton. Illustrations are available to ensure correct connection of circuits and humidifiers. This function works for ventilator parameters as well. Click on Help, and then on the parameter, and information will be provided if available.